was only a year back that we launched and conceptualized Queen 2020. It has been a year since, and we were pleasantly surprised by the kind of response we got. We're super excited to launch Queen 2021 and working with a new breed of women entrepreneurs changing the deep tech ecosystem in India. Looking forward to your applications and working with some of you. Thank you.
Kickstarter is in the domain of AR commerce. So this domain is very niche. Queen program helped us to validate our business idea. We were able to understand that what it really helps us to understand the whole program, give us the insights that what we are doing is right. It is the requirement which market is going to accept. So validation of our business idea and basically the customer market understanding was the main validation which we could do it from the Queen program.
Queen has this unique thing of giving you a mentor who is very, very specific to your business use case and the kind of challenges you might be facing. And this network in their turn also extends to their own networks so that you exactly get what you are looking for. To top all of this, we have a lot of master sessions, and this master sessions are from different aspects which allow you to reflect on what are the weaker points in your business, what might be a hurdle to your growth. So from my end, I'll recommend all of you to just come forward and join it. Believe me, the benefits that you will get are tremendous.
In Queen, we are particularly excited to work with women-founded startups in the country. We'll provide you dedicated mentorship, insights from industry leaders. You will get access to masterclasses on topics including intellectual property, product development, marketing, venture funding, and more. The entire program culminates in a grand demo day where you will meet other valued members from the ecosystem. So looking forward to see you there. Apply today.